Hello, everyone, and welcome to the Trade Ideas Live Trading Room recap for Thursday, February the 23rd. My name is Barry Anderson. I'm the moderator of our trading room. This is the address to get in, and the room is open between 9 a.m. and up to 4 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. And just so you know, I'm going to change up the format just a little bit. From 3 to 3:30, I'll be going over what I call my evening scan, and also probably the trend change window, just to see if we can spot some interesting opportunities for the following day. So if you come into the room and then you leave, because I know people don't stay all day, you might want to come back at 3 o'clock Eastern Time, because that's when I'll be going over some charts. Let me just close down the Trade Ideas alerts. The other thing is that check in the text of this email that you're going to get. There will be a link there to explain how the Trade Ideas and Interactive Brokers linking is happening. It's a great little tool now that we have the link between Trade Ideas and IB, and how you can auto trade and things like that. So I'll be sticking that into the body of this email that you'll receive. All right, let's get to some of the action today. Well, the absolute star for sure was BITA for me. Again, it wasn't a great day for me, and I got chopped out of a couple of things early. You know, the market was down a little bit. But look at BITA. Here was the alert opening candle. This is the 15-minute candle. 1893. The stop was 1868. Still in this trade, actually. I'm out most of it, but I waited for the break of the whole number. Got in at 1903. Got in right here, and I traded some, up as it was moving up. My last trade was out at I think 1952. Right about right about here as it was coming down, but I traded all the way up, and this turned out to be just a great trade. Now it's still, the Holly is still active on this trade. This is actually a hold until 3:45, and so she hasn't exited the trade entirely. And again, I have a little bit left just in case it has the big pop. What else happened? I got in and out of pay a couple of times. It just didn't work. I will keep watching this one. I like the daily on this. So this is one to watch going forward. Take a look at the daily, and yeah, there's a little bit of resistance in this area. Maybe that's why it was stalling. But if it can crack through the 20 with any sort of oomph tomorrow, I definitely want to know about it. So that was the other one. SQ kind of was a tough one to sort of intraday trade. A lot of people are still in it. I think again I got out of this one a couple of times in and out. Just took small shares because the market I found was just kind of whippy. And take a look on the daily. Sorry, on the 15-minute. This is an earnings play, so it had the nice gap. This is this mauve area right here is the after hours yesterday. Continuation. The pink area is the continuation pre-market today. Big gap up, big pullback. Come on, get out of here. Big pullback here. Tried like heck to take it over 17 a couple of times. It just didn't want to break. I still have an alert at 1725, but anyway, just sort of hanging on to that one. This one is something I may swing. I'm in this one right here. Sorry, that's where the alert was. I'm in this one at a little bit later, 2035. So I'm in right here. Doesn't move too much from there, but this is why I'm in it. If you take a look at the daily chart, this was an earnings play yesterday. So it had the big gap this yesterday, and I had set an alert for a 20 break. Watched it for a little bit. Again, the market kind of choppy, but eventually I said, okay, I'm going to take some. Took it up here again. Maybe too late. But this is maybe a second day continuation. There is zero resistance to the left. So that's one reason why I decided to take it. The other thing too, I just want to go back to BITA. We get the question many times. How do you know which Holly trade to take, which one not to take? I mean, you could take them all, I suppose, but if you're in the room, I do not take them all. But what I look for is something that like something that looks good on a daily chart. So when I saw this, and I saw I waited for the break over the whole number, and I look left, and I see this potential little void area. So that's why I took this one, as opposed to say some of the other ones that Holly was alerting to today. And of course, Holly had a lot of long strategies, but the market is down, so that's why I kind of backed off. But I took this one early, basically because of the void here. You'll hear me talk about the void or the gap all the time in the trading room. If you're going to look to swing something, you want to see something like this. This is not, maybe tremendous on a swing because you've got some resistance here. But imagine if it was up here. So it was straight down, didn't have this jog up, it was straight down, and then you saw this beautiful void, $3 or $4 away. So that's what I always look for. And there was one other one, crazy, crazy one that unfortunately I flat out missed. Saw this one. I must have erased the alert, but I was waiting for a 15 break today, and I think I noticed it go down, and then it popped. Look at what happened, and I just flat out missed it on the 15 break. It hit 20.38. I know that the spread was a little bit tough, but nonetheless, you could have taken fewer shares, dealt with the spread, and on a multi-dollar move, the spread is not that big a deal, but same sort of thing, look at this break on this daily. I mean, it's just fantastic. But that was one that unfortunately I did miss today. And I think that's about it. So a quick video. Again, take a look at the link I'm going to put in. It's going to be how to integrate trade ideas and interactive brokers. So it's going to be pretty interesting going forward with that integration. So close this down. Thank you very much for listening, and we'll see you in our trading room tomorrow. Bye-bye.